invest a lot of money. A lot, meaning a lot. Big money. If you're a millionaire, invest millions in saving Jewish souls. Sponsor books, sponsor USB, sponsor CDs, sponsor lectures. Every one of my lecture makes Baalei Tshuva guarantee. Check in the comments. There's never been a lecture that I gave that did not save few souls. Sometimes 3, sometimes 10, sometimes 50, sometimes 80. I just had a Shabbaton in Yerushalayim a month ago. Check the video. It's published to the world. We put it on my Facebook page. You saw it? You saw it. Here you have 2 people that saw it. In one Shabbaton, 2 days, from Thursday afternoon to Motzei Shabbat, 50 hours, 6 or 7 lectures I gave. 80 guys got on a stage, put tzitzit, and promised to keep Shabbat. 80. In 2 days, 15 women covered their hair. We gave 240 of my USBs. It's 2,000 hours of lectures to each one of them for free. We gave them books, tzitziot. Few of them already went to yeshiva. This is one Shabbaton. One guy sponsored it. $8,000. That's it. 4 tires to his car probably cost the same. One guy sponsored it. 80 new Shomrei Shabbat. Every mitzvah they do from now on, every Torah they learn, every kosher food they eat, everything goes to his account. Their children, grandchildren, grandchildren until the end of days, all goes to his account. Billions of mitzvot every month. Billions of mitzvot. $8,000. Buy stock, you lose, you make. And the best part is that if you think that the $8,000 came out of his pocket, you are dreaming, you don't know Torah. The Torah promise, Le'olam en adam me'ani min tzedakah. Never in a history a person became more poor by giving tzedakah. Never. Whatever he gives, Hashem gives it to him anyway from a different door, plus his olam haba is multi-billionaire. So it's not even coming out of his pocket. All he has to do is to be strong and not to be stingy and to give. A day later he doesn't remember it anyway. Especially all these billionaires that I know, they don't give me a penny. Some of them I did Shabbatonim in their house. They kiss my hand, but they never gave $1. Yeah.